The latest jobs report. What does it mean for you and for the housing market? Hi, I'm Scott Neal, the broker of Scott Neal Real Estate in Richardson, Texas, and we help people buy and sell homes in and around the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And we got some very encouraging news recently from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Their jobs report just came out about a week ago, and the economy gained over 900,000 jobs in March, which well outpaced the projected results of about 600 to 650 new jobs. And the unemployment rate has fallen again, and we are now right at about 6%. Of course, I remember back when the pandemic hit, April and May, unemployment skyrocketed to about 15%, and we are now back down to 6%. This is great news. So what does this really mean for you? Well, anytime unemployment is low, it has rippling effects through the economy. People feel better, there's more money being circulated, people have more money to spend, which means all of that money is going out to different industries, and it's happening across the country. So right now, I want to take a look at what 4 experts recently told the Wall Street Journal about the recent report that just came out. Michael Feroli of JPMorgan Chase says, the powerful tailwind of the reopening of economic activity appears to be gathering force. While the level of employment last month was still 8.4 million positions below that which prevailed before the pandemic, it is reasonable to expect that a majority of those lost jobs will be recouped in coming months. Mike Fratantoni of the Mortgage Bankers Association says, we fully expect that this pace of job gains will continue for months and anticipate that the unemployment rate, now at 6%, will be well below 5% by the end of the year. Paul Ashworth of Capital Economics says, with the vaccination program likely to reach critical mass within the next couple of months and the next round of fiscal stimulus providing a big boost, there is finally real light at the end of the tunnel. And Jason Schenker of Prestige Economics says, people are getting back to work and the vaccine isn't just inoculating the population, it's clearly inoculating the economy. So what does this mean for residential real estate? Well, today's biggest challenge with home buyers is the severe lack of inventory. In fact, nationwide inventory is down 52% right now, and that is the lowest amount of inventory that I have seen in my professional career as a real estate broker here in DFW, about 15 years now, and it is insane out there. It is very difficult to be a home buyer, and so what that's causing is bidding wars. Of course, if you're one of our clients right now and you're struggling to get a house, you're not in a boat all by yourself. This is an industry-wide problem, and we are seeing agents across the country talk about what's going on in their market. It's not just happening in DFW, it is happening across the United States. One answer to this challenge is for new home communities to build some more homes. If we can get the new build communities to put more inventory on the ground, this will certainly add some more supply, and it will help with this inventory problem that we have right now. So what I want to do right now is take a look at 3 industry experts and what they have to say about the increased construction going on across the United States. Lawrence Young, the chief economist of the National Association of Realtors, says, construction jobs boomed in March, one of the largest monthly gains ever. This raises the prospect for more home building and more inventory reaching the market in the upcoming months. The housing market has been hot with fast rising home prices, but has been constrained by a lack of supply. By hiring more workers and building more homes, home prices will move to a manageable level to give more Americans a shot at home ownership. Odeta Kushi, the deputy chief economist at First American, says, great jobs report for a housing market in an inventory crisis. Residential construction building jobs increased 3.9% from pre-2020 recession peak in February 2020. The construction industry remains a labor-intensive industry. We need more hammers at work to build more homes. And finally, Robert Dietz, the chief economist at the National Association of Home Builders, says, good job numbers in March for residential construction. 37,000 gain from February to March, 3.03 million total employment for home builders and remodelers, and up 49,100 from January 2020. So the bottom line, the economy getting better, the jobless rate going down, unemployment going down, this is better for everybody, and it can only help our economy long term. So we would really like to see that unemployment rate continue to go down and people be putting more money in their pockets, obviously. As I said earlier in the video, the number one problem that we are having in the industry right now is a severe shortage of homes for sale. So, a couple of people we would love to talk to. If you want to downsize, if you want to get out of your home, if you happen to be in a financial pinch and you're having trouble paying your mortgage, or you're in forbearance and that bill's going to be coming due pretty soon, or maybe you have a paid off house and you've been struggling paying your taxes, or what if you're in a great financial position and you're of retirement age and you're ready to sell your home and move out of the area or downsize. We want to talk to all of you because you might be sitting on a gold mine right now. So if you have a home that you've been contemplating on selling, maybe in the next 6 months, maybe in the next year or two, I want to encourage you to consider selling that home right now, today. The market needs your home. Right now, we are seeing people pay 10 to 15% more money than what the house is worth at the absolute top of the market. So not only is your home probably worth more today just in comps on paper than it ever has been before, but there are buyers out there in the marketplace that might be willing to pay even 10 to 15% more money than that. So if you have a home to sell, we'd love to talk with you. We've got buyers waiting in the wings, ready to get homes that just aren't available out there. So give us a call. Our number is 469-998-3322, or you can get a free home evaluation on our website at mydallashomefinder.com. We hope you guys are enjoying the changing weather. It's going to be swimming season here pretty soon. So we'd love to talk with you, especially if you got a home to sell. So thank you and happy selling.